I think if you're not sort of a full-on Welsh-speaking business, we've taken the decision to just do the occasional Welsh post on social media and so on. We have actually had a couple of our promotional bits of leaflets and things translated so that we can use them and put them out in places like sy'n, our local community pub, where we know they'll go down well. But just sort of play it cool, experiment and see what works. And I'm thinking about maybe trying to get one of our staff on a course to learn to speak Welsh properly. It would be nice if we can do that in future.